Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are doing a pink leopard print set on my sister. First, we're going to start by pushing back the cuticles and cutting the cuticles. Next, I'm going in with the circle cuticle bit and I'm going around the cuticle to lift any of the excess dead skin from the nail plate and from around the cuticles. And I'm just doing that for all the fingers. Now I'm going back in and cutting off any little excess cuticle that I didn't get the first time I cut. Now I'm clipping down the growth of her nail. I'm just smoothing out the rigid edge. Next, I am removing the shine from the nails using my 180 grit nail file. This is a finer grit nail file so it won't damage the surface of the natural nail. Next, I am using some dehydrator. I'm just cleansing the nails before I glue on the tips. Now I'm sizing out the tips and using my KDS glue to glue them on. I got these tips on Amazon. Everything I used is linked in the description. Now I am clipping down the nails to the length she likes using my tip cutters. Next, I'm using my e-file with a sanding band to remove the shine from the tips and blend the tips in with the natural nail. Now I'm taking dehydrator once again and cleansing the nails. Now I'm taking some nail primer and going over the nails. You guys in the comments said to use 2 layers, so I'm trying 2 layers, but my sister said I should just do 3 layers just in case, so I did the 3rd layer. Now I'm taking some base coat gel and painting a thin layer on all the nails. After that is cured in the nail lamp, I'm taking some soft pink polygel from Model 1s, some red polygel from Macart, and I'm mixing those together to create a hot pink color. I now have a code you can use from Macart that will give you 15% off and will give me a small commission as well. So if you want to show support to your favorite nail YouTuber, make sure you click the link in my description to check out Macart's website where you can get this red polygel in their rainbow polygel kit. My code is nailsbyvic. Make sure you remember that for 15% off your order. I'm just taking some of that pink polygel and patting it around the tip. I'm doing these nails in a 2 bead method. So I'm doing the tip first and then I will do the cuticle. I'm fitting the polygel to the tip. That way I don't have to do as much filing afterwards. I'm taking another bead of polygel and putting it at the tip of the nail. I was out of frame when I did the pointer finger around the cuticle, so I will just show you how I did the cuticle on these fingers. So yes guys, I do have a code for Macart. It has been long awaited. I love Macart so much. I've been using their polygel for so long, same with Model 1s. Now I have a code and I'm going to be trying out one of their kits very soon when that arrives. I hope you guys are just as excited as I am because I absolutely can't wait to try this kit. I'm so ready. Also guys, we are now monetized on YouTube. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I like hearing about kind of like monetization on YouTube. So if you guys want me to tell you about how I got monetized, you know, everything, how to do it basically, I can explain that in one of my videos. I'll still be doing a nail set, but during these parts where if you guys want me to talk about something, I can definitely talk about how I got monetized and everything you need to do it. Let me know in the comments if you want to hear about it. So I'm just taking a bead of polygel, a smaller bead than I used on the tip, and I'm just fitting it around the cuticle. Then I am blending it into the rest of the nail so that it's not just one big glob in one place. Blend it out, and this will blend the wet polygel into the cured polygel. Now this nail didn't really get a good apex, so I'm just adding a bead of polygel where the apex would be and just creating a nice little apex. You guys do not understand how many opportunities you have created for me. I am so grateful for all of you, and I just hope that my nail content satisfies you guys, and I hope you learn something from my content, because another main reason that I created my channel was to teach people how to do polygel nails at home, how to do their own nails at home, because guys, I have never been to a nail salon before. So I'm 16 years old and I've never been to a nail salon. I've only ever done my own nails. I've only paid money for me to do my own nails. Everything I have learned, I didn't see it from the nail salon. I have learned it from YouTube, other nail YouTubers. I just taught myself from a lot of practice. So you guys, if you guys want to try polygel nails, I definitely suggest it. If you don't want to spend money on going to the salon, I suggest just giving polygel a try. You never know until you try it. There are a lot of cheap kits on Amazon or even Wish, AliExpress, you know, those places. You can find cheap kits that you can just try polygel with. And if you like it, keep going and keep practicing, because you will never have to go to a nail salon again. And imagine if you buy one $50 kit, that kit will last you like 6 to 8 nail sets. Can you believe that? Instead of going to the salon 8 times and spending $50 each time, you can just pay $50 once and do your nails until that one kit runs out. So I definitely suggest it. But if you're like me, you go crazy and you buy this polygel, and this decoration and that decoration, and you spend way more on nail stuff than I bet you would have if you just went to the salon. But it's really up to you guys. If you want to try polygel, please try it. After the nails have cured, I am just wiping them off with some rubbing alcohol. After the nails are wiped down, I am just filing them with my 100-150 grit nail file. I'm using the 100 grit to shape the nails. Next, I'm going in with this cylinder bit, cuticle bit, and I'm just cleaning up around the cuticles, making sure that the cuticle area is sealed because I do not want these nails to lift. I'm really trying to give Model 1s a chance with their primer. So I did 3 layers of primer and 2 layers of dehydrator, and I sealed around the cuticle really good. Okay, we're seeing if these nails are gonna lift or not. After I buffed the nails, I'm just mixed together this brown color with my gel polishes. It took me many tries to try and mix a brown color that actually looked correct-ish. It still looks a little bit purple on camera, but in real life it looked pretty brown, good enough. So I just mixed purple and green and got a brown color. I'm using my dotting tool to make the brown spots, and I'm using my dotting tool as well and dipping it into my black gel polish to make the kind of black ring around the brown spots. This is such a simple nail art look. If you want your nails to look like, wow, did someone else, was that done by a professional? You're like, no, I did it. Yeah, this is a perfect set for that because it's nail art and it looks like it's hard to do, but it's really simple. Once again, I am just putting on some brown dots with my dotting tool all over the nail. And I am putting black polish around the brown spots. I also did some of those black rings around in the pink areas without any brown spots, just to give it some kind of, so it doesn't look so similar. So that's how I created this leopard print look. Very simple, and they're very fun to do. I haven't done nail art in so long, and I forgot how much I actually love doing these like simple nail art looks. So much fun, and I think they make a set look so professional and so like complex and high quality. So all I'm doing is just taking the brush with the gel polish and I'm dipping my dotting tool in there, and that's how I get the black polish, and that's how I'm using the polish. Also, sorry that I'm reaching across the screen. I made my sister hold the brush, the gel polish, so that I could dip my dotting tool back in there. So sorry I'm going like back and forth across the screen. It's a little bit annoying, but I wanted you guys to see like how I'm placing the black polish. Next, I'm just taking some top coat, Macart top coat. I am just painting some top coat on the pinky nail. She wasn't sure if she wanted glossy or matte. So on the pinky nail, we did glossy, and I also forgot to wipe down the gel polish. Make sure you wipe down the gel polish with some rubbing alcohol, because the black gel is definitely bleeding, so when you put top coat on it, your black gel might bleed. So definitely wipe that off before you put any top coat on it, or matte top coat. On the ring finger, I did matte top coat, and on the pinky is glossy. Which one would you choose? Vote in the poll on which one you would choose for your own nail set. Would you do matte leopard print or glossy leopard print? My sister chose matte leopard print. After curing that for 30 seconds, we are going in with some cuticle oil, my favorite part, because it really completes the set and makes it look so much cleaner. I'm just rubbing that in, and here are how the nails turned out. These nails look so cute, so professional. I love this leopard print with the hot pink in the background. Yes, ma'am, this set looks amazing. I love this set so much. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this taught you how to make some leopard print nails. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you check out the link in my description to check out Macart's website, and you will get 15% off your order. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time.